I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown, so I moved down south, I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting, trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. A piece of my heart is stuck in Manhattan. The last 4 years, you're all I've known. I guess I forgot how to be on my own. I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now, with all this distance, all this time. Keep wondering if you're doing fine, trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I'm boxing up shit that you left on my nightstand. I have to admit, this is never what I planned. The hoodies, the t-shirts, the handwritten notes, the book from your parents I never let go. You laugh so much more than your words and your clothes. So I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now, with all this distance, all this time. Keep wondering if you're doing fine, trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I know I'm in love with the memory, gotta move on, find somebody to fill these empty spaces, take me to new places, give my heart a break, yeah. I know I'm in love with the memory, gotta move on, find somebody to fill these empty spaces, take me to new places, give my heart a break, and I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now, with all this distance, all this time. Keep wondering if you're doing fine, trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know, 'cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Say you won't let go, just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night when we looked over your shoulder. For a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we're great old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed the most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise you that we part like in our vows. So I wrote this song for you, now everybody knows that it's just you and me till we're great old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Oh, just say you won't let go.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it. If your world is feeling heavy, I can carry it too. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend to you. Because you listened when my heart got broke. Remember, you were there to help me cope. So you don't gotta go through this alone. You know I got your back, I'll always be your home. If you're alone